Hello everyone, my name is Young-Il Kim. I'd like to report refrigeration and I'll start. Okay, this is the outline of my presentation today. Okay, what is the refrigeration position in Ashrae? Well, all of you know that we cannot have a comfortable life without refrigeration because the weather is too hot. For Europe, for example, they used to live without air conditioning system. But now I hear news that the temperature there is over 40 degrees Celsius. So refrigeration is very important for our comfortable life. So here, many people agree that with no refrigeration, there's no Ashrae. So there are many important things in Ashrae, but most of us agree that refrigeration is one of the most important things. And there are lots of good materials in Ashrae homepage, and this is one of them. If you go here, you will see a design that looks like this. And if you go further inside, there's a lot of good information about refrigeration. Okay, I'll move on. Okay, this is the Ashrae structure, and the refrigeration is here. Okay, I don't know how to use the, okay, here. Okay, we are under Technology Council. There are many sections related to refrigeration, and here from TC 10.1 to TC 10.8, there are lots of good information about refrigeration. And these are the past regional refrigeration chairs. Okay, many people have served to improve the refrigeration industry. Okay, this is the current refrigeration chapter chair. I still have yet be informed of Indonesia. So Indonesia chapter, please tell me who your refrigeration chapter chair is. And for Vietnam, I have 2 people listed. So we need to straighten this out. Let's see. Okay, the scope and purpose. The Refrigeration Committee shall encourage advancement of refrigeration technology and its application. We are going to report to the Technology Council at each meeting. Okay, that's our duty. Okay, the duty here is the committee shall coordinate chapter, regional, and society activities in the field of refrigeration. So we are responsible for developing programs that enable the society to collaborate with other organizations in advancing technology in the field of refrigeration. For specific duties, there's a good manual. So if you want to learn more about the duties in this field, in the homepage of Ashrae, we have this manual. That's going to be a good material. So there are many good resources for the refrigeration. Okay, these are the things that we can rely on. And also, TC 3.1, there are frequently asked questions, and this would also be very helpful to learn more about the refrigeration. And also, we have other materials like standard and handbooks, especially Fundamentals Handbook. Chapter 29 is Refrigerants. Chapter 30 is Thermophysical Properties of Refrigerants. And Chapter 31, we have secondary coolants information, like brines. And there are many good courses given by Ashrae. Here I have listed some of them, so these will give you very good information if you want to take courses related to the refrigeration. And the technology trends. Okay, we'll be talking more about this tomorrow. We have a refrigeration workshop, so if you're interested You can come and join us, which start from 9:50 in room number 9. Okay, this is a short graph of what happens in the refrigerants. There are many issues that are important in the refrigeration, especially the refrigerant is very important. Okay, we have to choose the right one, but there are many things to consider. First of all, ODP was important, I mean, long time ago. Then GWP become a lot of problem also. And besides PFAS and TFA, okay, these are the compounds that are generated by the refrigerants, and people think that they do harm to the environment and to the human beings, like toxicity. Okay, efficiency is very important because even though the refrigerant is safe, if the efficiency is low, that means we're going to use a lot of electricity. So we have to care about that also. Okay, many good refrigerants have some flammability, and that's very dangerous when we use that. The cost is important, the life cycle assessment. Okay, high pressure is becoming important also because CO2 is good, but it has such a high pressure, and that's sometimes a safety problem offers. And liquid is also important. So this graph shows that what's going to happen in the past, and what happened in the past, and what's going to happen in the future. So we'll be talking about this tomorrow in our refrigeration workshop. So this is a table of what we are going to expect. Okay, refrigeration is such a large industry, and there are many sectors. So depending whether it's mobile or package type, I mean for industry, there are many options. The refrigeration. Okay, let's move on. Okay, if you have a good technology related to refrigeration, there are many awards in Ashrae that you can apply. And here, let me show you some of them. We have Donald A. Schiller, Dan Mills, Milton. Okay, those must be the famous people in the field of refrigeration. Okay, we have these plants. Okay, we'll be discussing this tomorrow in the refrigeration workshop. And okay, we need to become TC members. There were many TCs related to refrigeration. We need to apply for refrigeration. We also have Ashrae UNEC awards, and there are two webinars related to this. And every year at June 26th, we have a World Refrigeration Day. And this year, which is about 1 month and a half ago, we also had this event. Next year, we're also going to have this event. Know what's going on. Always a good idea to be involved with. If you go through this internet site, there are also many good technical resources. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Tomorrow, August 15th, Saturday, it's day number 2, okay, from 9:50. Okay, it's not like 7:30, okay, like the other committee, which is too early. Okay, we'll be starting at 9:50. And here, it's room number 9. And each chapter, refrigeration chair will give a presentation on the current status of refrigeration in his or her country. So it'll be very interesting to see what goes on in other countries. Okay, the presentation will include recent activities, industry trends, technical developments, challenges, and future opportunities related to refrigeration. Anyone interested is welcome to attend. Okay, there are sister organizations that we have close relationship with. First is IIR, we have RETA, you also have RSES, and also International Institute of Ammonia Refrigeration.
ammonia refrigeration.
And also,
ammonia
we have WhatsApp application here. All the people related to refrigerations are connected, and we share new information with this. Okay, I think that's the end. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Matthew. Let's move to the government affairs side.